Baking the face, demystifying the slang. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, baking the face. This term might sound a bit strange at first, especially if you're thinking about cooking. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. Baking the face is a term that originally comes from the world of cosmetic makeup. It refers to a specific technique used to set makeup on the face. The process involves applying a generous amount of translucent powder over your foundation and concealer, and then allowing it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the heat from your face to set or bake the makeup, resulting in a flawless finish that lasts longer. The term has its roots in the drag community and has been popularized by makeup artists and beauty influencers around the world. Over time, baking the face has moved beyond its literal meaning in the beauty industry and is sometimes used metaphorically to describe someone putting a lot of effort into their appearance. While you might not use baking the face in everyday conversation, it's a great example of how English phrases can be influenced by specific subcultures, like the beauty community. When you hear someone talking about baking their face, they're likely referring to their makeup routine and not their kitchen activities. That's all for our exploration of baking the face. I hope this video has been insightful and helps you understand how dynamic and culturally influenced the English language can be. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.